Good morning student. In previous video we learned about the introduction of algebraic expression. Now on the behalf of introduction we will solve some questions. So let's start. Let's begin with the problem. First problem is their algebraic expression is given and here we need to find out the standard form. How can we write this algebraic expression in standard form? So write it in standard form here. Like terms also. What will be the numerical coefficient of x5 and the degree of expression constant term. Many more questions are here. So let's solve the questions. So tell me students, is this expression in standard form or not? So it is not in standard form. Why? Because the degree is not in descending order. So we will write the standard form 16x raised to power 7. Now what will be the descending 7? After 7 what will be the degree come? It is with sign we will take 11x raised to power 5. After that we will take 3. Here is 3x cube. Are they considered as, if I am taking as, it is 7x square minus 4x and then minus 17. This expression now in standard form. Okay. Now what is like term? Any term is like term. 16x cube is a term. 4x is a term. 3x cube is another term. 11x cube 5 is a term. 17 is a minus 17 is a term. 7x square is a term. Are the terms are same? If I am writing this 7x. So these two terms are same term. So we will write as 4x and 7x. These are the like terms. We will remove this power because they are having the same coefficient, same variable. I'm sorry, it's variable. If I am having the same variable value, the degree value also, and they are having the same variable, so these are called like terms. Numerical coefficient of x5. x5 is here numerical. What is the value? Numerical, it means number value. So it is with sign we will take, it's a minus 11 here. Degree of the expression, highest power. Highest power of this expression is 7. Constant term without variable is called, a number without variable is called constant term. So it is minus 17. Okay. Next example is add this expression and this expression. We are having two expressions and we need to add these two expressions. Let's start. So always remember one thing. Like term add with like term. Even subtraction also possible within the like terms only. Okay. So like term, this one is a like term with this 16x square y. If I am writing first 5xy square, I am writing expression first and with positive sign. This is my first algebraic expression. With plus sign I am writing second algebraic expression. Now think about the like terms. So what is your like term? In case of 16x square y, this one is having like term this 5x square y plus 5xy square. Then this like term is xy square. So write it down here. It is 11xy square. Why they are like term? Because they are having same variable. X, y square. They are having the same power and this will write together x square plus 3x square. Now solve the y terms. This will solve this part. 16 minus 5. Numerical value will solve. This is 16 minus 5. We will having 11 x square y. 5 plus 11 makes 16 xy square. X 3 minus 1. If there is no numerical value is written here, so you can write as 1 into x square. Okay. So this will be 3 minus 1. It will be 2. So here plus 2x square. This is your answer. In this question, there is a subtract part. So we will write from this. So we will write this one first. 5y minus 4x square plus 3. And we need to subtract the next expression. We will write the same like term. In here will be 3x square because they are like term. 5 should be written here with signature plus 4. And do the subtraction. The sign will be changed. So it will be plus. It plus change into minus and again plus change into minus sign. Minus 4 plus 3, it is minus 1. Minus minus, when the sign are same, then we will do always addition operation. So it is minus 7x square. 4 plus 3, it is 7. But sign comes which is represent here. 5 plus 1y, it makes 6y. So subtraction and addition always done with like terms only. Unlike terms we can't subtract or we can't add the algebraic expression. Thank you class. So I hope this will help you to solve many more questions. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.